Hello! Today we're going to be talking about all the different types of products you can upload with Woocommerce. I'm going to go over the basic capabilities and then mention some of the more advanced capabilities that you can pay for, but right now we're focusing on the ones that are included by default. Now if I just switch so you can see my screen, you'll see that I am on my website right now. I'm on the products tab and we're going to go to add new products. Now, I don't have a product ready to upload, but we're just going to go down all the different options of what you could have. There's all the basic fields, and then down here, you'll see general settings for your product data. So the first one is a simple product. It's called simple because it really is that easy. You just have a product that you buy, like my keychain that I have available on my website now. There's no options to pick from. You just select it and then add a quantity, and then you put it in your cart, and that's a simple product. Now, if you click on the drop down, you'll see group products, and the intention of group products is that you have a collection of simple products that you want to bundle together and then give them at a discounted rate to incentivize people to buy more of them. For example, I recently bought some ankle straps for my cable pulley in my gym system, and I got them bundled with some wrist wraps that you use to support your grip strength when you try to deadlift heavy but you can't quite hold it that much. That was a bundled product that I got a discount than if I had bought them all separately, and that is a grouped product. Now in WooCommerce, the base grouped products only really works for simple products. If you have products that you want to add options for, like you can pick a different color palette, or you have to put in some information about a product for the store to be able to send it off because it needs information from the client, maybe like sizing, or if it is a digital product, then you need to put in like information about what they want out of the bundled service like I have, then that is something that you need a composite product for, which is a plugin that you can get. WooCommerce offers one paid with an annual subscription fee, or you could pay it monthly or whatever. Personally, I don't really go for that sort of model because I don't intend to just constantly put in repeats expenses into my business where I can avoid it, because with Woocommerce, which is a WordPress plugin, it's pretty safe that you'll be able to find a different variant from a third-party developer who's got their own version of the plugin, and you can put that in, and it's normally free. Or they will normally have their own premium versions as well, but you can get them at a discounted or single lifetime license rate. Now the next option is the external/affiliate product. This is something that I use in my store for my drop-shipped photo books, which I have through Amazon KDP. What you do is you have something that is provided by a third party, and you get a link, and then you put that link onto your product, and then it takes away the majority of the options on what you need to put in for the product data because that's handled by someone else. The idea of the affiliate product link is just that you click on it and it sends the person from your website to a third party website where they can buy it. So I use it for Amazon KDP because I get my books printed there. Maybe for example you have a shop of products that you recommend and products that you use but you don't actually provide them yourself, then you would get your affiliate link and you can get a commission for someone clicking on your link to get to the distributor's website. So then you may get some commission, unless it's like Amazon KDP where you receive the money on the other end. You never actually receive the money for your website for an affiliate product. Then for a variable product, it's normally for stuff that you have like a t-shirt and then you offer it in different colors, and then you can put all the different color options in. You'll see when I switch from simple to variant product, you get this little tab here saying variations, and that means you can put in all the different attributes, like stuff that would change, like size, color, material, and then you would select in the variations size, and then this is where you would list all the different sizing options that are available. So that's most useful for clothes, but you can also do it for other products that have just different color palettes, for example. Now, one that is a little more secret and you may not know about is if you go into simple product, you can see the virtual and downloadable checkboxes. So a virtual product is different from a downloadable product because there may be a virtual product that is just hosted on the internet. Maybe the virtual product is a link to a hidden web page that you host on your website, or just something that's exclusive access, whereas a downloadable product is like a file that you would receive. So personally, for my shop, I have downloadable products that are digital media assets like photos and videos that I have available on stock websites too, but it's cheaper and more cost effective, and I get more profit if someone buys it from my platform on my website instead of my Adobe stock profile. So I make the downloadable file a little PDF with instructions on how to get into a Google Drive, and then they can actually use the password and download the files from the Google Drive itself. I do this because I can get some free storage on my Google Drive, and if I hosted all the media files on my website, then that would take up a lot of my website storage. when actually I only want to take up the storage to give them the instructions. So having a little PDF, JPEG image, any kind of like, this is how you do it, then that saves me a lot of time. You could technically email these instructions onto a virtual product that has no downloadable file, but then that gets emailed when you purchase the product. And then there's a risk that if someone hacks into their email, then they could get access to your product and then everyone has the instructions. That's just more about creating another layer of security for me. With pretty much any type of product, you can put an order note as well where it says the specific thing when you sell it. So if you have a virtual or digital product, you can maybe put the instructions in there too. That's just a choice on how you want your customers' user experience to be as they go through the checkout process. Thanks for watching. I hope that was really helpful for you. If you want to see any more information on how to make money online, how to digitally market yourself, or just see me make some cool stuff that I might sometimes offer to other people to help you along your digital marketing journey, then make sure you subscribe and follow along.